Hi, and thanks for joining me today. My name is Kim, and I'm a children's librarian at the Monroe County Public Library. And today I'm going to talk about how to paint with straws to make images like this one. For this craft, you're going to need a few supplies. You'll need some kind of craft paint. You're going to need a straw. You can use a reusable straw like this one, or you can use a straw like this one that you might get from like takeout restaurant or a fast food place. And you're going to need some water and some kind of palette where you can put your paint and mix together your paint and water. And you'll need some kind of paper. I'm using construction paper today, but you don't have to use construction paper. You can use whatever you have on hand. Okay, so to get started, you will need first to add a little bit of paint into your palette. And I'm going to put just a tad here. And then we're going to add some water to this paint because we want that paint to get really fluid. So I'm going to take my dish of water and I'm going to put my finger right over the straw like this after putting it in the water to hold some water into the straw and dip it into that palette. Okay. And I'm going to mix that water and paint solution together. And I want a mixture here that's kind of runny, really kind of fluid, so that's more, so it's easier to move that paint around on the paper. I think I've got a pretty good solution there. It's pretty fluid. I don't see like a lot of clumps of paint anymore. It is just very more runny. And now I'm going to take my paper, and if I were using a reusable straw, I would just do the same thing I did, putting my finger over this and dripping the paint on my paper. But I'm going to use my reusable straw, so I'm just going to drip this paint on here like so. And now I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to blow this paint around. You can kind of just blow it however you like it. The more you blow, obviously you're going to get more color spreading across the page. You can also first turn your paper as you work, so you can use a different direction. And you can always add more colors on top of this one. So that's basically how you do this painting with a straw project. Again, you would just mix some water and paint together. You kind of drip it on the page and you can blow that color around. Make some really cool and interesting shapes. And from here, you have a couple options. You can let this dry and leave it as is, or you can kind of think about this and see what you can imagine is going on with your image. So for example, I made this one, which I used mostly whites for, and I thought it looked really like a cloud. So I decided to add a little kite up here. And I've got this nice little piece of yarn that I've attached to be the tail of that kite. So you can kind of have some fun imagining what it is that you've created. Another really cool variation of this craft is to take one of those straws like you get from a fast food place and slice it. Slice a few slits down the side and flatten them out, kind of like this. So you get this little, you can use a five-pointed little shape, or you can do 6 or 7 of these, however many works with your straw. And you're going to flatten them out, and you'll put some paint on a palette, that has a flat surface, and use this almost as a stamp, and then you can make these little shapes. Here's a piece that I did like this. You can see I've used this white color, and I thought, it looks kind of like flowers, so I gathered it together to make a little bouquet. And I wrote here at the bottom, miss you, because right now, we're all missing something. All right, so that's how you can paint with a straw, and I hope that you have a chance to try this out sometime, and I hope that you enjoy it. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day.